Hello and welcome back to my mother's eyebrows.
Her eyebrows are going to be famous.
Today we are going to give my mother an eyebrow transformation. We're going to wax her eyebrows and dye them. She has very light eyebrows. And so we're going to see if we can make that different.
Change that.
See if we can change that. So let's get into it.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it. I'm crazy. Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
I was putting petroleum jelly when I don't want dye to get on your skin.
Yes.
I'm gonna put a little concealer on the red, just so it's not red, and then I will be able to take it. A little dark. Looks nice.
How does it look like she has more eyebrow when you just tinted it? Because she has the eyebrow, you just can't see it?
And I shaped them. That's all I did. Tinted them and shaped them.
Looks like...
Nice.
I got nice eyebrows for one?
Yeah, you actually do have eyebrows.
Did you put tint, did you fill them in?
All I did is wax them in Damn.
What? It's magic. You have eyebrows. I don't have to do anything to them.
At least until your eyebrows fell out. Or your new one's growing. I think the one box says it lasts like 2 to 4 weeks. Dyeing your eyebrows. Yeah, like your eyelashes.
I didn't know eyelashes grew.
Yeah, they grow and fall out.
They definitely fall out. They don't grow long.
Are you ready for the reveal? Hopefully you have a good reaction.
Oh, yes. Nice. I do have eyebrows.
What do you think? I think they look good. The final result.
It's a... I'll wait till you're done.
Oh, my baby. So I'm crazy.
And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye.
Bye. Bye from the eyebrows.